Hi, I'm Carrie. So you're looking for a new home? I'm sure you have a lot on your must-have list. Let's see if we can't check them all off at Moore Farm. Must-have number 1, modern design accents. Pick the finishes you love. Whether it's farmhouse style or something more traditional, you can create the home of your dreams. You can choose from floor plans with up to 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and over 3,000 square feet, so you'll have enough room to spread out or host your friends and family. Must-have number 2, backyard privacy. Majority of the home sites here back up to trees, so you'll have plenty of privacy when hosting barbecues or just hanging out on the back porch with a cup of coffee in the morning. And the best part is, at Moore Farm, all lawn maintenance is taken care of, so you won't need to mow the lawn or pull the weeds on the weekends. Must-have number 3, amenities in the community. Future amenities will include a farmhouse-style clubhouse with a kitchenette and gathering space. The perfect place to meet your neighbors. And when it's nice out, you can cool off at the pool or get some exercise on the walking trails. So, did we check everything off your list? Take the next step and come see us at Moore Farm. I look forward to welcoming you home.